talked and talked and talked and talked. I have even cried. I have even cried on top of my own songs. I have cried. If I tell now what in my eyes see, what in my eye don't see for this social media, the way people they oppress people when don't understand this social media is alarming. People when don't understand this social media, the way people will understand that they oppress them is alarming. It's good make person go school. Yes. It's good. It's just quite unfortunate that I can't go back to school anymore. Me, a grandmother. Children plenty. Who want carry children for us? Now I want to go school. Now my school career. But at least my children go. Hey, as a single mother, when I be before, I still manage send my children go the way my aunt reach, they still go. The thing go they pay me. Sometimes I go just they cry for inside house, say say, oh God, I forgot school. You know. For this social media, they don't put pepper for my eye. I don't shout tire. To the extent when my husband came out to warn them and tell them that if people don't desist from this thing you are doing to my wife, I'm going to put a copyright to all our songs. Some of the bloggers will be bad belly for inside. Now so they rush on. Why you talking? Why you talking? Say you want put copyright for Lady of songs. No try more. This man you be wicked man. Now so you won't do the same. Not way they not tell my husband for this social media. Because he just use math talk and say if they don't stop this way that they do so he go put copyright for my song. So they insulted him. But the man must worry. We still live on. Person go suffer, compose songs, finish. Sleepless night or say and raise song. You go go studio. You will go do one. You will go location. Go shoot video for the songs. At the end of the day, one person go just go there. Person wey feel say he get phone and he know plenty app where they download till they carry person songs, person job. They will just go there. They go carry am. They will carry the full song. They will go put on for their Facebook. Some will go put on for their YouTube. Then another set of people, another set of bloggers. I don't say the thing happened for this social media. When my husband said some presenters they carry our music. For example, let me explain. Maybe presenter want do video. Now I want do live video, or maybe you want do video. You go play my song. If you don't play my song for the video finish, you go put copyright for the video. Automatically, both the song, both you will do the video, you don't get copyright. Then me we can get song. If I want to use my song to do video, they will give me copyright. Hey, now so I go to shout for it. I say you got leg baby, you got leg baby. You want me to know? You want me to know? I don't know as they do one. I don't know where I will go press to go tell Facebook say this song that me get time. I will just carry phone. They cry. They go. Now no as they do one. Now nobody. I will still delete them. Video where I don't suffer do finish. I go delete them because of my own song. Where person go copyright. I go delete the video. I went through this. Let me call it abuse because this is abuse of privilege. I know how many musicians will get songs, even if they be upcoming. I may advise one of my brother the other day, he go put on for distro kids, automatically go get copyright. I say go remove them, leave them. People they play them because if people they play them, now they go tell know the song. Presenters go they play them, bloggers go they play them. Everybody when they do video, they go they play them. If they play am, now the song go viral. I say go remove am. And the boy say, why you go put am? He say get one song when fair release. He no go put copyright. And the song now he know the fit they use am. That's why he just go put this one for this show key. I say no, tell them make they remove am. Remove am, not put am. And the boy really listen to me, can't go remove am. The boy can't go remove him. So wetin make me come out this evening? The tension when I be take come out. If not my sister will come to tell me say make I calm down, make I cool. The tension when I take come out and now to come cause ogun. Now to come cause ogun shall go everything I love for people when make me do this thing. People when make me take this decision. Now to come swear ogun for them. But my sister said make I calm down. Because the way they pay me for my mind. I not mind. More than not cut my video tomorrow. More than go talk nonsense. More than go talk anything when I like. Put. I don't care. Do I look like I care? But the way we tell them, I need what but ultimately when it calm down. Because if I don't know what to cost me, make I let you know now. Say, presenters they play my songs if they want to do live video. It is my profit. When I say my profit, that people they use and they know my song. It's a profit to me. It's a plus to me. People go use and they know my songs. Who never hear my song before? All these social media presenters, they have fans. They have their different fans. They have their different followers. Bloggers get their own fans too. So all these people, if they play your song, person go they ask. If you even go to their comment section, you go see somebody they ask, say, I bet where I'll see this song play. I want to download down. Who play this song? They go they ask. That's a big job that we don't even pay for. We don't pay for it. They do it for us for free. And my song was everywhere. My song was everywhere because people they play until they do video. All these are here for abroad. On Sunday like this, you go see that they go phone. They go dance put. They go use until do TikTok. They go use and do Facebook. They go put on for their social media. You think I don't like it? You think I don't like it or I don't appreciate it? I do. I do. Because it go help your song go far. But you see this set of bad egg for inside. Where say their eye not go come off for another person thing. They say now another person sweat. Now they want to chop. There is no again. They not go even help you, but they not go let you help you. You go not say you play on that person's song for your video. Waiting go make you go copyright that video. Why you not go leave her like that? You chop your own. Another person will use and go see collect. Another person go see collect. Who they never monetize the page go see do it own freely without you know go get problem. Why you not go leave her? I they come to all my old school. All my old school songs. I never put all of them for distro, any of them for distro kids. I they can't put all of them. So if you know say you use all my old school songs, go they delete them before you reach there because I go put everything. In your way I got wag the naked oiting. Una don't to show me Pepe. How many times did I come out on live video to plead? I pleaded for a very long time and I said, please, I don't want to put copyright for my songs. I don't want to put copyright for my songs. I beg. When I know they copyright my songs, the thing they affect me. People go call me lady of song. Who make copyright in one way? Imamujo. Me when get song I use and they don't strike me. I don't put. So I tolerated it for a very long time. The thing was affecting me. It was affecting my family. If my family use on the same thing they have, we can't be like say I will go suffer finish, can't give person where I don't know. Make they do it. And the one will converse me pass. Now those ones will go carry the food, they will go my YouTube. See, make I tell you now one day, una go get accident for the road to my YouTube. Una will go they download my song from my YouTube. Una go download that finish, una go carry the full video, una go put it for Facebook. Some of them, their Facebook is not even monetized. Maybe they want you to find follow, I don't know. But I want to tell you, one day, on your way to my YouTube to go and download my video to upload on your Facebook or TikTok, you will get accidents. You will get accident. You will break leg. If you not break leg, you go snub. You go wake up for hospital. If guys don't take it down your hand, wait till they download, it go paralyze. It go paralyze. Enough is enough. Enough is enough because una don't do the do. Una don't do the do. Una fit say una get phone, una get data, una get strong data, una fit do us anything una like. Person go suffer for music finish. Wama ode na la. Wama egbo na la. la na ya wi nwa. Wama ego na la. If una want make I tell you now. If I dey compose music like this, I dey ready to go to studio. I am more or less like a mad person. This my boy here, not they near me. Nobody they come close to me. You cannot play any other music in my presence because if you play, it go they disturb me for brain. If they want play music for where I say no, carry the beat when they compose they put no I mean you don't cause spoiler. Carry and go carry your music go because sometimes once they just play the thing go just to my brain. The next thing I go forget the beat when they compose they put. I'll call they follow that one. It do all the beat away. Ni ma boy. So if I they compose, I they drive them. If you know what it takes to compose a song, you will not misuse another person's song. And know that there is no amount of words we are going to tell you people. That one is sure. I know that there is no amount of threat we're going to give you people that will make you to deviate, to desist from doing this thing. But let me tell you, one day, you see that thing you have been suffering for, that thing you have been laboring for, another person is coming to come and ruin it for you. Karma is a bitch. Karma is coming to every one of you that is misusing another person's sweat. Karma is coming for you. Because now, una don't succeed now. Una say, Epa Eddie, my daughter can say, no, they not they play lady or some music again, she don't copyright am o. Now say, I don't succeed for that one now. As una take succeed for that one now. Something where be say una see they pray for, something where be say they give una joy, something where be say people they help una they do. O ma we do ori yin wa nu re ben wa ya ri ona yin mo nu re. O ma ri no bia yin no ko ri no ri sie ni na mu wa me distro kids for how many years now? I dey celebrate my 15 years on stage by January. For the past 15 years, I not put my song for anywhere we get copyright. People they help me they put on. People they help me they put on. I no mind. I they beg una since I go come out of life. I go they beg una. I go they clear. Say if you know say now you put myself for copyright, I beg go remove am. I don't talk and I warn una say if una push me, not be say I don't know where to put am more. I mean if you really be my fans, you will attest to this that I am saying the truth. Una think say I not sabi do one and I believe say na wetin una think be that say for this woman to they use this say they sing all the time say I go put copyright and she know they put that means she don't know how to do it. That is the reason why she didn't do it. I know say na wetin una think be that. Because many of una be like stubborn fly where they follow their body they enter grave. I know say na wetin una think be that say on na normal year school met him where you no can ya go and make copyright your data on the since. I never wanted to put it because I know that people are enjoying my songs. My fans all over the world, they are enjoying my songs. Almost all the presenters on Facebook, they are enjoying my songs. They play my song before they start their presenting. I said it for a very long time, but none of you listening. You people that is doing it now, none of you listening. Then, as far as waiting me suffer put, now come out my mouth. I don't feel use myself for Facebook. I know the feed that I know the feed they put her for TikTok. If I put her for TikTok, TikTok will silence my una to do. I sure say now una that fish pie boy talk to. Una to do. Now una he talk to. If I upload, if I use my song to do video for TikTok, they go remove the audio. They'll say make I put another song. I'll come with the find Lagos song. Ave hip hop do agwa le hip hop ni ya mu ye video ni une. Inwame again for my song again. Now I say okay, no problem. My manager, my social media manager, don't they disturb me, don't they vex say, Mama, the way I tell they see your songs, people are misusing it. I don't like it. Not be only YouTube, you go they put your song. Put your song for distro key so that all these people so when see they carry your song so they're going to put copyright. May you see they collect money from them. I say, I know want some. I want me that they enjoy the song freely. I know want some. Okay, no problem. Then what's it gonna happen? Now still the same Epa Eddie when so I contacted him and said, I beg my Facebook. You can tell me get Facebook. Me Facebook. You moon a camunu told them. If I people whenever kulobo for my Facebook self, I don't even know whether it not there. Everybody don't kulobo for my Facebook. I go give this one. Help me check They say you don't reach to monetize. I don't know how they do. Let me check out. They go there, oh. Until one of our Epa now, even though we're popular, where he call me do one. He do one. That month, I can collect 400 something thousand naira. Naira they able to pay me. I can collect. After that one, they your killer. As the killer, now I come out hand. Not being I tell they eat. And my music now I tell they eat. I not feel go carry a petition because of a Facebook money. Leave on there. From there, oh, now I carry again. I carry on Epa Eddie. And my husband even let me contact her. I bet check this our Facebook. How would they go? Now Epa Eddie I can't enter the Facebook. As he enter the Facebook with Zazana, I can see say some of our presenters. I will mosa name mosekoe. I will mosa name mosekoe. They just get one wicked mind. But whether not devil now create them, whether not God, I don't know, because if you see some people the way they say fine, you know go feel imagine say they will feel do bad thing. You know if imagine say they will feel collect waiting no be their own, join their own. You go y'all look them with their beauty, you go look they say they be innocent, but they y'all use that one to cover face. It can see say some of these presenters they don't now this one now. What it make them they funny to me now because I enter my Facebook, I go do live video, I go play my song. I didn't talk about these people. I didn't talk anything generally as in public. I not talk about any public thing. I talk about myself, talk about what I'm doing. Maybe I have a show I'm going or I have something to do. I will come on live video to talk about it. Then, because my page is demonetized, somebody will not go there and claim the revenue. Somebody will not go there and claim the revenue. Mumu, I don't know whether they go claim out. I go even see notification for my Facebook self. I go click on. If I see say they carry me, they go where I don't know. I go run come out. If I they come again, if I they come this like I don't even just have concept. Now I go doing Jemai, the guy do not suffer too much. I go run come out say, man, no go carry me go where I don't know. Now when Epa for me to call Zazana, come see say some of them they carry our video one I you do it go and then you collect it. That's all that be. Ask me, let me go even know where they follow it. I can't show me. Show us see where they follow it. As I call the enter my people, waiting my eyes see my mouth no fit talk. That's some people wicked. That's some people wicked. Most of my videos will get plenty view. We just get plenty view for live video. They just claim everything. I can't get to the. I even come out. I think hey, now my husband come out and I can't tell they say, now we do all this. Now no, not self. No, not release the video. Release or not release the money. Now don't chop on. How many months when I don't claim my sins? Now we know. Now don't chop the money now. Now they release her. Now that thing I cost. Now I cost paper body for some people, body for this social media. We say they call the insult us. And you bugwa. And you bugwa mosa na meseko. E ko na tesi. E su no kaigele.
Yana do agwale
kenya la la. O ma na gbon esu. Why believe in eternal? A lady of some giye churchy. Only one o ma die giye churchy. If not because I don't dey go church, that make me be bad person. Make I be bad person. I like her. I like her like that. Say because I don't dey go church, make me be bad person. Be good like that. If I reach heaven, I go take now so my faith take carry on. And my blood there upon her head. If you be saying and sin, say, who no go shot they go fire. I go tell go report you not to God. Say, if you see what people when you create, what they do for life, and they claim that they be Christian, that make me run from church. As I see the people when say they be Christian, what did they do? That make me run from church. My faith no fit cash on. So if you want quarrel with me, add them join body. Do you understand? Because of that thing when my husband talk, say, he no one mention name so, he no one mention a name, and he use God to beg una. Not be only my own, no. They claim from my husband's video, they claim from my second video. My second, they claim her videos. My husband, some of my husband videos, they reach like 200 plus, 300 plus view. They claim her. When my husband called it, they say, no one mention names. People, they write and they say, now this person, my husband say, no mention names, so, but I beg, If you know say now you dey claim our videos, stop am, not dey do am again. Because of that thing, some people they turn against themselves, not be me. Because there's nothing you want talk today where they never talk follow me.
You not there.
What see you want talk? They want tell me maeta. Dinye nuana no maena. Dota nuata no maeta. Dinye nuana o na maena. Waiting you want talk where they never first talk. We want come fresh.
We be new thing.
We want come be new. We will come maybe they run head skirt and say, hey oh, you see what this person talk oh, I want go by myself. Instead, now you go get BP for my sake. Now you go buy yourself. Walk big boaru dame. Umahia gumegbera. Umahia gumegbera. Yeah, me na gbonye eh. Umahia gumegbera oh. Me na gbonye oh. One thing for sure, when I tell oh my God, when I tell stand my ground, they say, as far as I did not offend anybody, I not do anything we never do for life before. As far as I not offend God, I don't care what humans will say. As far as I not offend God, I not bomb mowa, I not ram, I not do my she. Eva do ba gbon, emi na gbon ririta, o ma kame. So pe ni gba ko mewe, I ma si o dada wiere. I ma won go Maria. Ebi ade o ire pa ni be kian ni pa ni yari ago ma wa. So I don't care. The time when I take care, now when I never know now. Yeah. When I don't know say na so na be. Now we una take start. That time people never even know now. So na be liars. People never know say na lie. Now not take the chop. When I use my family to start. And people come they say, hey, na so they be. But small come they reach everybody body. Now Sharon reach everybody body. So it doesn't matter anymore.
Are you okay?
If you too worry me, you too bokbo me, I go report you to my God. If you too bokbo me, say I go come out for you. I go still come tell you what see dey my mouth. Even though tanya we ukpa bukbo yata. Because imo bo mege na yata lo. Tell me ni wata lo ogi nwa me no. Ya I go say bokbo me say solo mare boy me kunre. Ya ha me ladan we ukpa bukbo even do ladan. Even teni ata ma we lawa. Because why they turned that thing against my husband and they started hating on us. Some of the welfare claims say they be friend oh. I know they talk about the enemies. Do I even have any? I don't have. I know they talk about those who welfare talk say they be our enemy. No. The ones who come they pretend they say they be friends. They begin the verse for that thing. They begin the verse. Why you go talk come mad? What you can't expect? Say me we do. No come carry from me. Come call you. No come tell you say my video where you claim. If not me shame go shame. I go shame. Now what I believe be that if I catch person for something like this, I go find the way I'll send the message to her instead of just meeting the person to go and tell him or her, I catch you for this thing. Oh, don't try me. So if we go where you get me, the message do the best thing I go send message out to you. Everybody where they involved, made them for no say they involved, made they command their hand. They thought it was when you were or mass when you were. Okay, enough a coat tie where one where your boy you were or mass when you were. Before you know, they can't remove their hand, they can't release them. All the video where they be put copyright, they can't release them. And so they can't release the video. Some of them can't claim her by ourselves back, say, now we get her, we can't claim her back. Because the only thing we all know for social media now how to upload. Once I upload finish, if I get chance, I'll see the screw they watch other people. If I not get chance, once I upload finish and they come up for them, go they do what I want to do. Not be every day they get chance, they enter social media, so now they see me so. If I know you get chance, the only thing to get now to quickly upload and I'll go do my daily things. Sometimes 2-3 days I know they see what people they post because I get busy. If I don't lie down, maybe I sleep not they worry me when you can like Facebook. Or for I mean, what can you do more? A Facebook and see, not be everything you go sabi. Not be you must not be everywhere. Sometimes give it to other people when they work with you, they eat from there. That's what I believe because now me go do this one, I me go do this one. You know what make people even work for you. Not be a lady this life. Or your mother so you give it out to people, let them work for you, then you share money with them. So after Epa does see Epa don't see do he tire where like boy or my working. If the thing not work, he said people don't do kulobo your come out see what he will go do will not fit do one. Now we rest. We can't do there until I can't call easy. Say easy I beg. A Facebook imena wa seti gume where. Ona when you mwere orige or we take Becky or kulugbe dance band. Baga iwe na or ye gawa or walking you. She now have to open another Facebook, remove all my page from my normal Facebook and put it on that Facebook she opened before okay do I monetize kere. E no my gawa igbo Becky we ne ana iwa see a video no ge wo be na iwe. Since when she even do one Nigeria day, I know they do live video like that. Any video sometimes, any $1. Rude $1 I do ya go, I do ya meme. I be rude $5. I be how much? $8. I don't have that time. So now she got me do one. But when it comes to the songs, I come sit down one day. When she called, she said, "Ah, Mama, this your song. When I upload, they don't put a copyright. So now you do one. I said, not be me. Oh, say, why people go they put copyright for your song? I said, yeah. Where the social media and make it go? Kede do adege. If you are no ma bag monge enya ya me mi uhian. Oh yeah, but if you don't put copyright, I not sabi do one mo. Say, I go help you do one. So God be the glory. One brother can say he go help me do one. Say make I bring all my social media handle for her, making do one for me. Now I come back and go give her more. Now she can't enter. Can't say okay, all my songs they go put on for distro kids. If they don't put on for distro kids, then he will come add Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and I said now tell us say no put YouTube, oh, not add YouTube because the one cover to cover when they collect for YouTube. You know what can you me come manage YouTube if you put YouTube channel now the money don't go with that so no you put YouTube come out YouTube any other one where you know say you want put come out YouTube you can't say okay now you can start to the help me they upload the song for distro kids. Once you put your songs for distro kids automatically go get copyright. And the copyright where did they get? Not to strike your page. No. You know they strike your page. You know they affect your page. You know they do anything damage to your page. No. Because as I asked him, this thing so when you want to do so, it go affect people page. He said no. It not go affect page. It go only tell them say make they share revenue with the owner of the song. I say thank God. At least if you say now one that they collect for there. Anybody will put my song, will upload my song for Facebook now. I go follow and share revenue. It no affect, oh, I just let you know now say, it no affect una page. When my beautiful lady, Lolo talk show, voiced me yesterday, she can't tell me say, the one where she see, now 90% revenue, they call her, say, no, that's not true. There's no way distro kids could they give 10% to person. And me, no, it's not true. Say that's 70-30 or 60-40 or 80-20. Now so it be. So but now 60-40 now we put on. If you use my song to do video, you dance, put you post on and they don't monetize your page, you go they collect 60, me go they collect 40. And what thing I tell the boy, if you now watch, if I play any song, the way I tell him, I say, see, if I newly drop song like this, people, they like to they use them. So I don't want maybe say, if they use them, they will come strike them. She said, no, mama, they not they strike them, but now just a percentage, and I said, no problem, I hear. not to follow the boy argue. If I drop any song, I know they send and give am make you upload them. I know they send and give am. I go leave am for like 3 months, 4 months. Before I go send and give am say, oh, yeah, put am for distro kit. The boy go dey laugh. He go say, Mama, this song now you dey bring am. Some when they don't chop finish for social media say, hey, now they bring am. Sometimes 3 months, 4 months, I no go put am for distro kits. I go allow people enjoy am. Person wey do video 1 month, the video you don't do am. The video dey there 1 month. The video dey there 2 months. The video dey there 3 months. The video dey there 4 months. A video nu wey you want me ya for 4 months. E gboloko yero we ma gbengbe ya ne. Video wey you do, for example, as a presenter, most of una self una video instantly as now they watch, and people they watch am. Once it don't pass, nobody is going back there to go and watch again. Am I lying? Unless maybe something can happen, people can say maybe you get one video where do. People don't they go they watch them again. As they do and so that they watch and they follow you. What they make it because why they worry back when they make it? Make me boy how go ni. So you use my song to video 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. That video you see they get money for them. No. You go never. Before I can go carry am, go give them. Say Mona put on for distro kids. Now to avoid all this talk. Maybe people not come they complain. Now maybe they do one like that. If I newly release song, I don't they put on for distro kids. I'll fair leave them make they use them first. If they collect, if they don't collect una money finish for una video. I know say 2-3 months now don't collect una money finish for the video what I do. Before I'll carry am, go give and say make you upload them. That's why they do am. Maybe if I can't upload them, Facebook when they give a notification say this video when you do so time like this, person they claim revenue. Waiting on hard for there for you to click accept. Mori reva a video where 2-3 months ago boloko igiru where you and where you am when look like here video ni. Waiting on there where they had you to click accept the revenue share. Waiting there. If not, because some of us we did very difficult to deal with. You use person music do video for long and it don't pass 2-3 months. They can't send you notification say this video so person I get am.
Who does that now?
Say the person will get am. They tell you say make you share revenue with am. You go share. After all, you don't chop the you go share. You don't take the lion share since how many months. You go click and at the end of the day, nothing they come from that video, my dear. Nothing there for the video again. That's the truth. Because who want wash am, don't wash am since they don't wash am pass. You don't collect your money. Nothing there to collect again. Except maybe you can't replay am for another new song. After the how many months, after I don't go put am for distro kid, maybe you can't replay am for new job. Yes. That one is understandable then. Now still to accept to share, not be say if they give you your Facebook page strike now. You know they give you strike. If you even look and say now yellow they show. If you show red, now be strike. And they go even tell you say now may you choose either to accept the revenue or remove that place where the song dey. Remove the place where the song dey or delete the video. Delete the video or accept the revenue or remove the song. Remove the place where the song dey. Now so they take the brigand. They'll say may you upload that with another song. They go even give you option of song. Say if you click and say add another audio. You go click any music of your choice where you want may you put for that video. If they go can't remove my own, put that one. Yes, na Nepal, na Nigeria, na jail. Maybe they want to put fuel. So now so the matter be this Odomenu Wamena. I release them for March for my Oga birthday. Now I release that Odomenu Wame. March 22. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Almost 6 months. Almost 6 months. When I release Odomenu Wame, Now yesterday, yeah. Now yesterday, yeah, now I give and say, make your upload that for this stroke. I saw the boy they laugh, they complain, say, Mama, you for your live on now. You for just leave on, no need. And the matter don't go. They don't shop and finish. If you put on for distro kids now, you know, get view. You know, get because everybody don't get time. Everybody don't get the song. Everybody don't use that. They don't, you know, get any money. I say put on there. The reason why they put on there, also that's not going to say where say where. If you say that you see me property no. I am not even putting it there because of the money. Because let me shock you now. Sometimes 6 months now 1,000 I dey see for 6 months. Sometimes $500 for a whole 6 months. Sometimes 1 year. Because now last year I started to put my song for distro kids. Last year, yeah. Now I started to put my song for distro kids. Say 50-50. Last year, throughout that last year, I not look at. When it day January, I come and say, come look at me, we see how much you know how much he tell me say he day. $900 for a whole year. Now I say okay, collect them. From January, we started to put another one again. We go look at yesterday. Now $600 there inside. Don't be say the boy they cheat me, oh, because another person, family, help us go check on. Now the person can even monetize my account for distro kids. Come go check and say, you not chop your money. I tell the boy, say, bear me look at. I be like, say this boy they chop my money. He own 1 year, $900. He own one. I say, check. When he check, I can't lie. He said no. He said the boy no chop your money. He say, Mama, you know say traffic the day your song, and if you release on, you deliver. You deliver for Facebook. Maybe they use TikTok. So if they don't collect the meat weight day before you come put on, nothing the day again. Now once they come they wash on. So I can say okay, no problem. I go see they put on. It's not because of the money, but because I want to secure my property. I want to secure my property for the sake of tomorrow. I go old one day, and may God not let anything happen. If anything happen, my children go know where my property day. They go get right to my property, because tomorrow is not guaranteed. Anything can happen. We all just did this life. We don't know what will happen the next minute. So that is why they advise people, where they advise, they say live your life like there is no tomorrow. You understand me? So if you they live your life, they live like say today is the end, or maybe today is the end, maybe today is the end. All the bond yeah, I movie here. Don't always plan big. Plan big for tomorrow. Tomorrow that's what I go do. Tomorrow that's what I go do. Some people go they use on the neck chest. Waiting I go do you, eh? Waiting I go do you. No, don't hit your chest for tomorrow, because you don't know what tomorrow will bring. Tomorrow might not be guaranteed for you. So don't boast about tomorrow. When you want to say anything, always say, by the grace of God, if God permits. By the grace of God, if God permits. Always make sure you use that word when you want to talk about tomorrow, because now only God, now they carry us, they go. I will not go your wa. Oh, my name and why? Or cook him with my bonia, woman, no way. Any IB. That is why it took me a very long time to take my son to distro kids. They push me to do it. Even as we they talk now, if you reach TikTok, it's not only me. Oh. It's not only me. The reason why my colleagues are not complaining is because they all took their songs to distro kids and they have copyright. So that is why they don't complain. Anywhere you put their song, whether on TikTok, whether anywhere, they don't say they get money for inside. They don't say they get revenue for inside. But because I want everybody to, I feel talk saying a stupidity. Oh, it was a very, it's a I don't know what I want to call her. That I don't care attitude, negligence. Now I do my own way. Be say I don't enjoy my music. I don't enjoy her. All the sweet music where I don't drop scenes from, all the sweet music, I don't enjoy them. Even with this show now, when God go bless everybody where they come our show. And most of these presenters, they don't even go to shows. I'm not waiting here to finima. And that one they pay me for inside. How many of them don't come show, come spray us with the Edo musicians? Say, yes, it's few. Let me not say all. It's not all. Few don't come. Say they can't show us love, can't spray for us. Not be all. At least now they use our property till the day, till the, you know. If now yes, we see they come this city like this, and the city not there close to you, and the place you know that country, what do you do? As somebody will be saying they enjoy this person music, do advert for them. Let us stop to be wicked for nothing's sake. Some of you guys are too wicked. That is why you see many of them, they walk like Jackie, but they eat like ants. They work every night and they no rest, but nothing to show for it because of wickedness. But some of them are doing it out of ignorance anyway. I have to tell you today, some of them, they do it out of ignorance. And say, oh yeah, any boom. It's out of, how will I call it? I don't even know the right way to use now because I'm lost. Try. You know, go that show. Go dash and go spray our money. You know, go the music where they use. More not the end, may you give what do they call them? Tithes. 10%. As the owner of the song, when I tell the potpourri for my job, if I sit down get like this, I want to do job. As the owner of the song, make I just see, as they go this city, so I know they that city, I know if it go spray am. Make I help and do advert. You have already worked for the money where you dey chop. If you do advert for that person, you don't already work for the money where you dey chop, and God go bless you put. But you dey collect from person, you dey collect from person, you dey collect from person. You know they give in return. Omani ga giasen aseni yeno. Or say yeno. Because all money is so far, all crack brain. Try. Promote the person name. Promote her. If you see whether they rubbish that person, not dead there. Not career. Oh man, we walk me why you police. We are why can not your gunela if you want to get to lemu ya mwe mu your way. Oh boy ma o kiawa. Ba orieke. Now no say many of na fly. We not the hear word. We not say na me talk. Otaloke kari otalowo ni. Na say lady of some to talk. I am not classic. Oh, I live classic for classic people. Now they claim classic. Now so classic. Now so you not classic. Now so you local. I be local village girl. You know, no means I want to tell you go back bijouer. Oujou j'aimerais. Aimerais bunwe. Yeah. How many times I go let you know say I be upper woman? Waga o mebuhun. Emi gbeluwa. Waga o mebuhun. Rubbish. It's the leka. It's not classic. You were classic. Show me what you don't gain for your classic. Show me. What have you achieved? What have you achieved? Pork nose. Smelly of other people's nyash. They do over sabi, they follow comment section. Now you achieve for your life. Nothing more. Frustration, depression. Now you achieve. Still, now see get sense, more not change. It's too local. This one is too local. This one, now you not local. Now you go school. So please, I am using this medium to advise all our brothers and sisters. If you know, I am not talking for myself here. No, I am talking for all of us that is already a musician. Whether na Mangolo song go, not be, whether na the song they go here, now person sing everything pepper soup. People not playing. People playing. As far as the person is singing, compose song, he sing, you play and you don't already play. Anything where you know say you fit support that person, support. If now your page, you fit promote that person, promote. You play my song. Ah, lady of song to sing. Go, hey, your sing one be her song too sweet. Oh my God, that lady of song. The next minute you will hear somebody insulting lady of song because it's gonna bring traffic to your page. You will rock it, kata. You will go and pick that video and put it on your page. You are a bloody fool. You are a bloody fool. You get it? You want to bring somebody down to get money to eat, to feed your children. Wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is coming. You they play, may I not mention my other colleague's name. See, this advice, it don't say where they chop many of us for body. But this is an opportunity for me to say it. If you they play any of us songs, you like any of us song, many musicians there be me. All of us, we get sweet, sweet songs. Wanna like, if you reach TikTok now, without song, there is no TikTok. Without song, no TikTok. TikTok is all about songs. You know, say they use person's song. Then they popori for TikTok, for Facebook. The person they come your city, you know if come out. You know if do advert for the person. Even though say na 2 people watching for your page, do one. Even though say na 2 people watching for your page, do one. Make that 2 people see her. That 2 people go still tell another 2 people, say, this person they come your place, so you all go. Is your boje, they wear in the bejeria kotua, when they fancy we say they wear ne soy. Why you got you know mwemiria? Harmony say we don't want peace, we want violence. Sometimes violence is good. There are some people that don't understand peace. You give them violence. But people that understand peace, don't go and give them violence. If you do, God will give you violence. That's the truth. On no fait ko wore ki no ma poru no so gbo wo ma se kenuje. Una ya mo violence se kenuje. So no ba be violence in because man dey dori enu eh. Always see o man no say we do yo man gbuwo bi be kini to tayi. It's as simple as that. Wa log no ma log o so ba be ke wa me do log o we. Where we are so I did not do him anything. I did not do anything. I did not do anything. Where we are so oh man we popo si so me no we. E bonu we ri mu gbo wa ni e so egbe because man we popo si ma me no we. So we ma e go man o salo ba gyo man ni no dori e ko ni san wa follow we bomba to bomba.
Make you follow there.
Bomba to bomba. Where we do ba ye ke we ni agi wo man na e no no popo me na. O ma me no we. O salo ba no so man we popo se we. O gyo man no do bomba we. No ba be a give anyway goto. So what have you born in Idari? Wala where copywriting one woman yeah. Ni ware TikTok. I want to send message to you all. If you are a TikTok blogger, because there are some bloggers there. There are some people that are just there to enjoy, to make friends. You that is using TikTok to make money, and you know that my song will fetch you money. And since when they go abroad, go they do show. Who they be baro rabi guy who have that email who come and no we deni ade who I make an ate bo me ya mwe guy go enta ma we ere no mu nya me no ho kan agbuwe ere no se we o kan akin we ko so that when we no iko ye we gbewe iko aka no wana kieke no ma ema na person get mind eat burial rice with banana na person get rice eat burial rice ban o mani o se na wa mura gbuku yo akon e ko mani we gbegbe no mani we gbegbe destiny bagwa no ye banana rice burial what do na. So my darling people, that's my little advice. Now when they do TikTok blogs, we are what say so now e musician no iwa red o okay no ihun ayo ye be. Some go just carry the full video they will just put on there. So they go they cut on part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, to part 20. Oh wala ejo. E dan some argument on Facebook ni me so fa wo. E ya for TikTok yen wala ejo.
Yan se gbe asege mi.
But asege mi
e ya we collect you.
But when it comes to supporting that person that you are using to make money on social media, your wicked mind not go let you support that person. Your dirty mind not go let you say, hello my people, I beg this boy, this girl or musician for Edo, they come so place, so you wait there near there, I beg me you come out. Some say una do say me they not go. Why Joe? But una can't forget say music is food to the soul. Music is food to the soul. There are so many men today, they don't drink. They don't womanize. But music is what keep them going. Music is their second food. If they hear music, go they shag them, go they do the like say they drink or go. E.g. somebody like my husband. He not they drink, he not they flirt.
Not they smoke.
He not they drink, he not they flirt, he not they smoke. He not they flirt, he not they smoke. He not they drink. If you like, now you sabi. He not they flirt, he not they drink, he not they smoke. But when he hear music, he go they do like this. He go they do like this. You go to say he drink. I never even talk and say like me. Who tell you say not like you? When I shower the mama. I said I can make you happy this evening, Jare. When I not say anytime when I come live video, you know they hear am for body. Oh, I say girl, okay now more fear now. That's what my life be. I know sabi pretend. Now they say I local. I like when I live my localness. For me, they get money. Finish. Oh, go classic here. So for me, they get money. I live my locality for me. My husband like me like this. Anybody will complain for my husband say I local. Oh, so no does it go make money. Go make bear. Because I dey be myself. Oh, I am so poor one ni bona. Oh, where am ro? Oh, where dog where am ro? Ayo bossa yo we so. If not some people get this house, here is a video. Aoma here one ni bu Jesus. Now let your song. May I pass my no see. Una if na see my post, una don't film. Una run pass because
it does too much.
It does too much. It go do they give una headache. Yeah, say toilet way now. Snap on. I dey toilet snap on. Quacka. Yeah, I think stop this my corridor, my father. Stop. Quacka.
They don't have the record but
I don't have the strength. I know sabi phone. It dey stress me. May I just let you know now. To the phone they stress me. Anybody will go talk any again. Who be where you are? To phone they stress me. It be like waiting just by my enemy. Maybe when I first come life, it dey stress me. I don't get power. I was forced to even start doing video. To they post picture. How many times they say they post picture? Yeah, I want my picture a phone. Oh yeah, bear. Where do post a phone with the phone with the agility quoi. It dey stress me. I want to be myself. And people should allow me be myself. Stop complaining for my husband. Stop complaining for my children. Stop complaining on my behalf. I like her like this. Make her be myself. I no come they pretend, come they do it and not being yaga. As the boy may have them roto. Getting here for me, social media for me. Then he like it. So because of that, make I just look and make her the game money. Now I just day. No, I not say another thing. But if I want dress with expensive things, tomorrow and Sunday, they don't go anywhere. They don't go work. No, the church, you know, you love your manager, no, why see my. Do you understand me now? You will go.
No, it's not that church.
The church of me not invite me.
Okay.
What is so?
I'm on Estelle. I'm on it. Thank you. Ah, mommy, I tell you where Brandy. That's my iye. So that's how it be. I just got begu now. You they use person video. The person they come abroad. Nobody tell say, why beg have a video? Why beg have a whiskey? Why beg have a simi have a tiwa savage? Why beg in ya? Ukbo be buy my way show. Deg be marieva eh? You they chop 3 times a day. Some people say any year you say best thing there. Now so music be. Music is the food to your soul. The food where your soul they find. Where you go tell Mary. When you are happy, you play good music. Thank you, Mama Brandy. You go play good song to marry your soul, your spirit. When you are down, you are sad, you go play sad music. You go play sad music. When person die, now music that they play. When person born, now music that they play. When they do marriage, now music that they play. Party, any party, now music. There is no year that the video, the Tiwa, all of it, they do tour. It's a yearly program. It's a, they know they see, it doesn't come. It doesn't come. It doesn't come this our city. I know go again. Are you serious?